Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Right now I'm going to show you how to maintain, clean, lubricate your safety razor, whether it be a Henson or Merkur or Mula or any other safety razor for that matter. It only takes a couple minutes. You want to make sure you keep it dry when you're not using it. You want to keep it clean and you want to keep it lubricated. Let's get to work. This will be care and maintenance of your Henson TI-22 safety razor or any other safety razor you might have. It's a good policy to keep them clean, keep them dry, and keep them oiled. Number one in care and maintenance is to thoroughly rinse and let the razor dry after each use. Thoroughly rinse the razor with water after every shave. Loosen the handle to the point where the blade is no longer bending. So you want to remove the tension from the blade, which is about 1.5 turns on this razor. 1.5, you can feel it loosens up. There's no more tension on the blade. There is a blade in there. There's no more tension on it. Then you can store the razor in a clean, dry place. It's not recommended that you store your razor in the shower. This will ensure that the razor can properly dry between uses. Clean regularly. If you shave every day, most likely at the end of the week, you'll need to replace the blade on your razor. At that point in time, it's a good policy to give it a thorough cleaning. Remove the spent blade from the razor. Clean all the parts. Let it dry thoroughly, and then you can insert your new blade, and you're good to go for another week. A quick side note, a lot of people will ask, Geo, should I remove the blade from my safety razor when I'm done shaving, or should I leave it in? Yes. Whatever's good for you. My policy, if I'm in a hurry, I gotta shave quick and get out of there, I will just leave it in, but rinse it thoroughly till the next time, and just give it a loosen so there's no tension on the blade. And if I have time, I will, when I'm done with my shave, just remove the blade and I stick it up on my Shave Nation magnet up high on the mirror so no little ones can get to it. And that's it. Good till the next shave. I drop it in. It's nice and dry. Everything is nice and dry. Get my shave on. It's also a good policy to lubricate the threads. It's recommended that you add a drop of oil onto the threading of the handle once a month. You can use any household oil, olive, vegetable, coconut, or even Vaseline works well to lubricate the threads. I'm just going to put a drop on here. That's it. That's all it takes. One drop. And then you can reinstall your blade. Top cap to safety bar. Reinstall the handle. Tighten it down all the way. Now you're good to go for another week. Even though razors are titanium or stainless steel or other materials, they can still develop water spots if you don't dry them thoroughly. You never want to let droplets of water sit on the razor. You want to make sure that they get removed immediately. And then let the razor dry. And that will maintain an excellent condition and many years of guaranteed quality shaves ahead with a beautiful razor. That's it. Pretty simple, right? Now you know how to keep your safety razor dry when you're not using it, clean, and well lubricated. If you want to pick up any safety razors or any shaving items for that matter, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there, or go to ShaveNation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Check it, over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. I'll end with this quick PSA. You know something I never heard when I was a little boy? Georgie, you can't go outside and play today. You know why? No, why, Mom? Because it's too smoky outside. Forest fires, I do not like them. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.